Hey there, folks. Let me tell you a story about a community that dreamed big and built even bigger. Meet the Johnsons, the Williamses, and the Taylors. Hardworking families, but, they were struggling to make ends meet.
We've got to do something. Our savings are running dry.
Life was tough, and the future seemed uncertain. But then, one day, at a neighborhood barbecue, something magical happened.
What if we all worked together, started our own business?
A business? But we don't know anything about that.
And just like that, a seed was planted. But, starting a business isn't easy, especially when you're learning as you go. They started with the basics, writing a business plan, understanding cash flow, and learning about marketing. Each family member contributed their unique skills and ideas.
Who knew there was so much math in running a business?
It's challenging, but I feel like we're really learning something valuable.
As the weeks passed, their knowledge grew, and so did their confidence. They learned about budgeting, investing, and the importance of saving. The whole family got involved, making it a fun and educational experience for everyone.
Dad, can you teach me about stocks too?
There were ups and downs, moments of doubt, but they persevered.
We can't give up now. We've come too far.
Remember why we started this. For our families, for our future.
And then it happened. Their hard work started paying off.
Mom, Dad, look, our store is full of customers.
That was the moment they realized the power of their unity and knowledge.
We did it. We really did it.
But they didn't stop there. They started sharing what they learned with others in the community.
Financial education changed our lives. Let's help others do the same.
They organized workshops, mentoring programs, and even started a community investment fund.
It's amazing to see how far we've come and how many people we're helping now.
And so, a small idea grew into something much bigger than they ever imagined.
When I grow up, I want to be a business owner just like you.
Remember, folks, when we come together and learn, there's no limit to what we can achieve.